Well, I was born with dark lips, but they weren't always this dark. Over the past several years, I would smoke. Recently stopped a year ago, and the pigment never went away. It got darker and it never went away. So just want to correct the deeper pigment and give it a little more, you know.
Oh wow, thank you so much. I love them. So for years I've struggled with very dark lips. One, I was born with dark lips, and then I suffer from anxiety, so I started to smoke to control the anxiety, which caused trauma to the lips, and they were darker. It's been a year since I've smoked, but the pigmentation never left. This is something that I always wanted to do, and I'm so grateful. It gives me the confidence that I never had to make social media videos. I would always make the videos and I would pick them apart and I'll be like, oh, I hate it because my lips are so dark. But this gives me the confidence to finally let my light shine. 2022 is gonna be amazing, and I'm very grateful for Lulu, and she's so thorough, so knowledgeable, and it was just a great experience, and I'm so happy. Thank you. Thank you. No, you have no idea, because granted, I'm your model, but I'm very thorough. I pick everything apart, and the fact that you were talking through each phase and letting me know what was going on and what to expect, this was everything. I'm very, very grateful. I'm very pleased.
I'm grateful for you.
Thank you.